Hi everyone, my name is Sania Nadav and I'm 24 years old and I come from Bangalore. To tell you a little bit about myself, I'm a computer science engineer and I graduated in 2018 from Dayanand Sagar Academy of Technology and Management. Post which I got campus placed and I worked as a business development executive for close to 1.5 years in Exceed Education and Active Kids Retail Private Limited. So this very work experience helped me understand sales, marketing and research on a very hands-on approach level. But I felt like I needed some sort of direction and I needed someone or some sort of peer learning environment where I could understand the nitty-gritties of these various management concepts. And that's when I decided to take up the CAT exam in 2019. And I had my IIM Sirmaur interview in the first half of 2020 and I got into college by July, right? And this was a very enthralling journey for me. And apart from this, a little bit about my personality, I would say that I am into a lot of, TST rallies that we have. And apart from that, I do also take up occasional traveling and public speaking gigs where I love to interact with people. And last but not least, I do love cooking and art. So coming to the induction process, it was very informative and educative. We had professors from the top B schools in the country, and even we had a lot of interactive sessions with these professors where they would help us understand the basic management verticals such as operations, marketing, HR, analytics, as well as business development or sales, right? And that actually helped me personally get better acquainted with the subjects that I was going to learn in the first term. And that's not all. Our seniors went the extra mile. They conducted separate sessions for us where they helped us with assignments and helped us better grasp these subjects and get used or get prepared to this entire MBA journey. And I must say this induction also helped me get better equipped with the online classes that we had due to the pandemic. And so far it has been a great journey. So despite it being completely online, I would say that the entire committee selection process was very smooth. We were able to get to know our batchmates more, our seniors even more. And for me personally, it was something where I could, make my skills better. For example, my graphic designing skills improved very significantly. Also, my skills in the tech-enabled world right now, that is where we have to interact with people over meets, have very detailed group discussions. So all these particular soft skills actually were enhanced during the selection process itself. And apart from that, I also got to learn how the committees and clubs work at campus and how even despite everything being online, our seniors were able to manage everything, coordinate everything with all us new juniors, and that was something very mind-blowing, I must say. So after all this committee selection process was over, I was selected into placement committee, and right now I'm a placement coordinator at IIM Sirmaur. And I must say that this journey so far has helped me understand the corporate world better. I have improved my presentation skills by a lot, and I'm able to improve my communication skills as well. Apart from this, one thing that I've really picked up well is how to play with a team or how to be a very good team member and improve my team dynamics with it being a completely online environment right now. And I think once it becomes offline, I think that will actually help us bond better. And apart from this, one thing that I've also picked up personally is time management and scheduling. And this is something very useful for me, I feel, and it will definitely help me in the future in my career. One of the main philosophies that I follow in life is the fact that the day you stop learning is the day you stop living. And what I mean when I say this is that learning could be either education related or it could also be life skill related. And whatever skill or learning that you pick up, you need to be able to use it, implement it in such a way that you're able to help others as well. And with that, I would also like to say that the same philosophy is something that I applied in CAT. and I made sure that I learned something new every single day, whether it was, quants, verbal, or LRDI related, or even during the interview process time where I always used to learn all the new current happenings or read newspapers constantly. And with this, I'd also like to tell all the CAT aspirants for this year a very best of luck, and I hope you all follow this philosophy and get into your dream college.